Run.
Easy. I suck me, I show you, say, yo, man, a star, brother. We are talent, brother. Kick you up back again. And I'm me and Joshy. The girl them Versace. Boy, a Christian cruise and my girl go crash it. We always live. We always make people joyful. People feel good. People say, look, excuse my language, you know? And I say, yo, God, no, dog. Yo, you, they're a real star, you know, man. Yeah, no joke.
I like to move it. I like to move it. You like to move it. I like to move it. I like to move it. I like to move it.
Hot, you know, man, no joke. Yeah, man, hot, man, no joke, man. Today is strong day, you know. I hate that January, and today I hate, you know, say my birthday and everything great. And I really swear. Yeah, man, I really swear, man. Red Stripe, that's it? Yeah, hot, well hot, cool, yeah.
Red Stripe! Red Stripe and reggae, helping our white friends dance for over 70 years. Red Stripe!
Today I get stronger and stronger. Today I'm 35. We're still up and active. And we have life. And the older me I get, me get wise. I get for wiser. So I have to do it right and know say yeah. And I wish I could see many more birthdays. No joke. Yeah. Give God thanks for life. Yeah. And give God thanks for everything what you can achieve.
For the year 2021, what kind of plan? Where you there on?
Okay. For the year 2021, you know say the plan now, we are trying to invest.
Yeah.
And we are trying to achieve.
Yeah.
And invest what we are investing now. Like the local business them what we have now. We are take time and build what we build. And know say yo, that is that and that is that.
Original King Julian, what a case, man. I love how all the girls, they love to move their body. When you move your body, you know move it nice and sweet and sassy.
Oh yeah, man, no joke, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cause we take some, we lose some, and we give back some. You know, I really swear. So we have to live and we have to alright. Nothing negative. Yeah, positive way I think in 2021. Most of the people them not have it. Yeah. Most of them I tell us say, oh, they're not working. You see me? So by the end of the day, what we can do for you, them, we have to do it for them too. Yeah. And the government alone we depend upon. Yeah. So by the end of the day, if we can buy a phone or a tablet, give you them for them learn, we are going to buy and learn. Yeah. Because sometimes I tell us we do all the hardest work to make the youth them alright. We go up on site and them things that make youth them alright. So by the end of the day, if me have it, I go make them have it. Because even when I go to primary school, when I little, and most teachers say me bad. And so when I do a school, teacher say, no man, this boy is not a bad boy. This boy is a good boy. Yeah, so I always do good, brother.
A lot of people have the wrong perception about you.
I never to watch that, you know, because I always think good and I always teach them good. So whosoever out there and people that talk bad things, I know me that. Yeah, I know me that. I have to play the role as a big man role, because I'm not a boy no more. Yeah, I'm growing bigger and bigger and getting better and better. I still have to stay firm. Yeah, so I have to do it right. One time gone now, how me used to flick, you know, how me used to wear. I know me that no more, man. Every piece like every year or every year. Just put it as a year. Every year my face have to change and get better and better. Yeah, you know, you're supposed to do. You the thinker, you the wonder, say, yo, what me I go do? For me, I have talent now, I'm stay so boom and sit down so and I say, yo, John, what you? Star, where are you? Why plan today? You have to put your mind to what you want. Want better and better. That me I move towards, yeah. I mean, nothing else to think about. In a realest way. Yeah, in a realest way. No joke.
Subscribe to Justin Blake channel. Click the notification bell if you want to receive a notification each time a new video is published.